How to fix Spotify not playing music. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can solve if Spotify is not being able to play music, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if Spotify is not being able to play music for some reason, all you have to do is go ahead and then actually first of all open the Spotify app here. Let's say you're trying to play a certain song but you're not being able to do so. What do you do in that case? So in order to solve this issue, it's actually quite simple. Sometimes it could be the Spotify app issue itself. So long press the Spotify app icon here and then tap the I button to come to the app information page. From here on, you want to simply go to storage, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. And once you've done that, make sure that the internet is working correctly, because if Spotify is not playing music, could also mean that the internet connection isn't working properly. Now once you've done that, again the next step will require you to open up your Play Store and then simply search for the Spotify application here. Once you search for Spotify, check if the Spotify app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically fix if Spotify is not playing music. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.